Troubleshooting dish remote volume control.
Hello there. We're going to walk through some easy steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix an issue with your dish remote, specifically when your volume control is not responding.
Confirm the issue.
The first thing we want to do is confirm the issue. Press the volume buttons on your dish remote and see if there's any response on your TV. If there's no change in volume, we can confirm that we're dealing with a problem.
Check remote's battery.
Often, the simplest solution is the correct one. Check your remote's batteries. If they're low on power, the remote may still function but have difficulties with certain commands. Replacing the batteries could quickly resolve your issue.
Reset the remote.
If changing batteries doesn't work, we might need to reset your dish remote. Here are the steps. 1. Press and hold the SAT button until all mode lights light up. 2. Release the button and then press it again and release it once more. 3. Test the remote. If the problem persists, continue to the next step.
Reprogram the remote.
If resetting the remote didn't work, we need to reprogram your dish remote to control your TV's volume. Here's how. 1. Press the Home button twice. 2. Select Settings. 3. Select Remote Control. 4. Under Devices, select your TV. 5. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the programming process.
Contact dish customer support.
If all these steps have failed, it's possible there may be a more serious issue with your dish remote or receiver. At this point, it would be best to contact dish customer support. They can help troubleshoot the issue further, and if necessary, arrange for a replacement remote or receiver. We hope these troubleshooting steps help you get back to comfortably controlling your volume with your dish remote. Remember, sometimes issues can be complex, and when in doubt, reaching out to customer support is the best course of action. Happy watching!